Hi guys, good morning. So today is the day of the Chinese New Year and this is my bare face and I've already curled my hair. So right now I'm gonna put on makeup and it's just a simple makeup look. So yeah, so first let's start with the base. I'm gonna, like usual, I'm gonna use my Laneige Waterbank Moisture Essence and my Skin Build Base Primer, the purple one, Pure Violet. I'm gonna mix these two and then put it on my face. So I use my beauty blender. Okay, now that I'm done with my base, I'm gonna mix these two foundation. This one is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Fit Me Foundation. This one is in the code 115. And then I'm gonna mix it with my L'Oreal foundation, which is the matte one, this one. Mix this two. So this one pump. This one pump. So, okay, gonna mix, and this is the color. Okay, now that the foundation is done, I'm gonna put on the powder to matte my face. As usual, I'm using my Johnson Baby's powder. Okay, done. Moving on, I'm gonna do my eyebrow. So I'm using my Maybelline Eyebrow Define Eyebrow Pencil, this one. And I'm just gonna put it all over on my eyebrows. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm using the Laneige eyelash curler. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna use my mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Moving on, for the eyeshadows, I'm gonna use this palette from Novo, this one. And then I'm gonna use this color as the base. Play. And then I'm gonna put it all over on my eyelids. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna take this color, Raw, I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And then I'm gonna put it at the ends. Okay. Then I'm gonna use this palette by Beautyra. Isn't she lovely? Then I'm gonna use this color, this Heaven, and it's like super creamy, like so pretty. This I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna use my favorite eyeliner, which is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp eyeliner. Okay, done. So I'm gonna do my blusher. As usual, I love this blusher. This is from Beautyra as well. This is the Born to Blush Mariposa. It's a very pretty color. Super pigmented. Gonna put it on my cheeks, my chin, my nose, my forehead. A bit, just a bit of color. Okay, now that that's done, we're gonna move on to my lips. So for my lips, I'm just gonna put on a lip tint. This is my favorite lip tint, which is the Ink Velvet 02 from Para. So we're gonna put it just a bit. Okay, then we're gonna mix it with this 3CE Stananda Velvet Lip Tint. She's in the shade Private. I'm just gonna put it in my inner. Okay, done. So I'm almost done, but I've got highlighter, which is from the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This one is super pigmented and it's so like, it's like that kind of like highlight, like not so bam, but like bam kind of look. It's like glowing look. So I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones. Then put it in my inner corner. Put it on the tip of my lids, nose, on my eyebrow arch. Okay. So to finish up the look, I'm gonna use my Eyeshadows Stageworks Fluffy Curl Mist for my curls. Put it over here. Yes. Okay. This is done. This is basically just a simple look, glowing Chinese New Year makeup look. So thank you guys for watching, and yeah, I'm just gonna head downstairs and eat with my family. So
잠은 올 생각이 없대. 다시 인스타그램 잘난 사람 많고 많지. 누군 어디 놀러 갔다지. 눌렀어